Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Dunleavy, a fellowship-trained cardiac electrophysiologist with MyMichiganHealth. I currently see patients and perform procedures at MyMichigan Medical Center in Midland. As a cardiac electrophysiologist, I specialize in diagnosing and treating heart rhythm disorders. Treatments include medication management, intracardiac devices, and cardiac ablations, which are minimally invasive procedures designed to help restore the heart to a normal, consistent rhythm. I strongly believe in patient autonomy. I prioritize getting to know my patients to make recommendations based on their individual goals and values. Ultimately, I believe it's the patient's right to choose the best diagnostic and treatment path from the appropriate options. The most rewarding aspect of being an electrophysiologist is being able to significantly improve my patients' overall quality of life.